Local news for Wednesday the 9th of August. The Wairarapa is set to get warmer according to NIWA, but it will take time, and the region is expected to go from 24 hot days now to 94 in just over 70 years. The report highlights significant impacts and implications with more floods and droughts and increasing coastal inundation and coastal erosion due to rising sea levels. The report was written for the Greater Wellington Regional Council by a team at NIWA, led by climate scientist Petra Pearce. She says the climate is warming, with New Zealand warming about 1 degree since 1909, with more heat waves and fewer frosts, more rain in the south and west, less in the north and east, and the rise of the sea level of about 1.7 millimetres per year since the 1900s. Ms Pearce says the Wellington region is likely to warm significantly in the future, with a number of implications and opportunities, including the possibility of growing different crops, an increase in droughts that may limit pasture production and crop growth, and pressure going on water supply. Spark Business Hub Wairarapa has taken out the top award for Best Business Hub in the country for the second year in a row, beating out 29 other businesses. Business Manager Nick Baxter says they're stoked with the award and would like to thank all their loyal customers. The locally owned firm, again, bet 29 others from around the country. And in sport, it's semi-finals time in secondary school rugby. Tonight at 4:45, the Barbarians take on Waikato Gold. At 6, Kiranui play Waikato Blue. And tomorrow night, the informed Makoda play Rathkill Development.